Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can teleport to your last death point in Minecraft. So unfortunately, there is no direct command to simply teleport to your last death point on Minecraft. What you can do is to go ahead and remember the coordinates for your death location right here, which is the XYZ. Type the specific coordinates into the TP command, and from there you will then be teleported into this specific coordinates right here. But if you did not remember the coordinates or the XYZ of your death point, there's still another way for us to do this. So as an example, let's go ahead and kill ourselves real quick. And if I simply click on the respawn button, what you need to do is to go ahead and have an item called the recovery compass. Now, I'll just go ahead and switch my game mode into creativity to get that specific item. And from here, you then want to have this item called recovery compass. Now to do this, you need to have the echo shards and you need to have compass, and then you can craft them using a crafting table. So this is really simple. Just go ahead and place echo shards around the crafting table, the compass inside, and from there, by using this specific compass, we will be able to go ahead and follow our last death location on Minecraft. So let's just go ahead and do that real quick. And after searching or going on the direction of the compass for a couple of minutes, we have successfully found the death location point here on Minecraft. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.